Getting a cold is many people's worst nightmare. It seems as though, no matter how much we try, we just can't shift it. Many turn to old tricks that are supposed to beat the germs. So, is chicken soup actually good for a cold? This could be the cure we've been looking for all this time. Today's video will discuss, is chicken soup actually good for a cold? 1. Keeping it at bay. It seems as though chicken soup doesn't just help cure a cold, it can help prevent us from getting one in the first place. The study is back from 1998, but the results show a bowl of the broth is enough to help improve the cilia function. These are the small hairs in our nose that help stop any unwanted germs from getting into the body. 2. A nutritious meal. Our bodies naturally work to fight off any illnesses thanks to our wonderful immune systems. However, all that extra work means we need more fuel to keep going. Chicken soup is an excellent source of calories that will help to boost our bodies when it's helping to keep us healthy. Plus, the soup is easy to digest, meaning we don't have to worry about causing issues elsewhere in our bodies. 3. Keeping things tame. It's the joint tissue from the bones used to make a chicken soup that can have multiple effects. The chondroitin, glucosamine, and gelatin are all absorbed into our bodies where they go towards helping repair any damaged connective tissues. This, in turn, also helps to reduce any inflammation that might come as a side effect of having a cold. 4. Clearing things out. One of the worst feelings of having a cold is being completely congested. Although it can be hard to ignore, it looks as though chicken soup could be our savior. Chicken is rich in carnicine, which helps to reduce any congestion in our nose and throat. This is because carnicine is thought to stop white blood cells from migrating to our upper respiratory tract, which helps to reduce any inflammation in the area. 5. Supporting our system. Having a cold can see many of us doing almost anything to boost our immune system. Thankfully, other ingredients in chicken soup, such as vegetables, garlic, and onion, can all help to boost our immune system. They are packed full of minerals such as sulfur, silicon, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium in a form that is easy for most of us to absorb, regardless of feeling under the weather. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.